Need to send money abroad with your Monzo card? Here's the fastest way to do it. First, open the Monzo app and head to the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap Pay and then choose Send Money Internationally. Monzo partners with Wise to handle secure international transfers. Now type in the recipient's details, their full name, bank account information, and the country you are sending to. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You'll see the live exchange rate and transfer fee right on screen before you confirm. Choose your payment method. Monzo will use your card balance or your current account balance to fund the transfer. Double check all details, then tap send. You'll get an instant confirmation, and most payments arrive within minutes to a few hours, depending on the country and receiving bank. If you're traveling, you can also use your Monzo card directly abroad with no extra fees on spending, making it perfect for international trips. And that's it. You have sent money internationally using your Monzo card in just a few taps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.